Myself Afnan, I am the student of class 8D and I am here to demonstrate the chapter linear equation, and I will teach you the chapter linear equation, how to solve the equations, what are the things that should be taught in this chapter, what are the things that we should have to understand. So let's move with the chapter. So just let's talk about the linear equation. What is linear equation? Linear equation and its type and how it's solved. Linear means the variable which having the power highest power 1. It means that if any variable, it means consisting 1 to z, have the variable power highest power 1. It means the x having power 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the linear equation. Y plus 3 is equal to 2. It is also a linear equation. But if you put a square here, what is this? This is quadratic equation. As you all know, what is quadratic equation? The linear equation, the variables which having the highest power 2, that is termed as quadratic equation. And what is this? Cubic equation. This is cubic equation because how it becomes the cubic equation? Yes, the variable containing highest power 2, that term we called as cubic equation. And here is the 4, then what we call? Biquadratic equation. Why we call biquadratic? Because it has 4 power 3. Why you call is at biquadratic equation? Why you cannot told a power of 4? Sorry. Why you cannot told?
Because the highest power is 4. And we know that there is the highest power, and we can say that biquadratic equation.
Here we are saying biquadratic means bi means what is the meaning of bi? Bi means 2. Here bi means 2. As you all know, quadratic equation means the highest power 2. Means biquadratic. Bi means 2 or quadratic means 2. That's why we are saying biquadratic equation. Here biquadratic equation means the variable having highest power 4. That is termed as biquadratic equation. And without beating about those, just talk about the standard form. Ax plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of linear equation in one variable. Here a is the coefficient of x, and here a is the coefficient of x, and x is the variable. And here c is the constant term. This is the standard form of linear equation. Here a and x. X is the variable and a is the coefficient of x and c is the constant term. And here you have to understand what is variable and what is constant. The variable means the digit. It consisting a to z which have no fixed value. It means जिसका वैल्यू मतलब हमेशा चेंज होता है. यहाँ पे हम x का अगर इस इक्वेशन 2-4 सॉल्व करें तो वहाँ पे पता चलेगा कहीं पे x का वैल्यू 1/2 आता है, कहीं पे 2 आता है, कहीं पे 3 आता है. हर जगह सेम नहीं होता है. अगर यहाँ पे लिख दे 3 तो तुम इसको दूसरे इक्वेशन में अगर 3 लिखना हो तो इसको 4 लिख सकते हो, क्योंकि इसका वैल्यू फिक्स है. इसको 3 मानते हैं तो मानते हैं, 3 को 4 नहीं कह सकते क्योंकि ये 3 है तो हम इसको 3 ही कहेंगे. यहाँ पे अगर x का वैल्यू 2 आया, x का वैल्यू 2 है, इसको हम दूसरे इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करेंगे तो x का वैल्यू 3 भी आ सकता है, x का वैल्यू 4 भी आ सकता है. इसमें कोई ये बात नहीं है कि x का वैल्यू फिक्स है 2 तो 2 हो ही होगा. इसका वैल्यू चेंज होता रहता है. इट मींस a से लेकर z तक जितने भी हैं वो सारे वेरिएबल कहलाते हैं जिसका वैल्यू फिक्स नहीं होता है, तय नहीं होता, वो हमेशा चेंज होते रहते हैं. और कांस्टेंट टर्म वो है, कांस्टेंट टर्म वो है जिसका वैल्यू एकदम फिक्स हो. जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं 1 को 2 नहीं कर सकते, 2 को 3 नहीं कर सकते, 2 को 2 ही कहेंगे और 3 को 3 ही कहेंगे, इसीलिए इसको कांस्टेंट टर्म कहते हैं. आप ये भी जानते हैं कि इक्वेशन को हम सॉल्व करेंगे 2x + x = 4. इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 3x is equal to 4, x is equal to 27. यहाँ पे हो जाएगा लाइक टर्म है, ये भी लाइक टर्म है, ये भी लाइक टर्म है, क्योंकि दोनों का वेरिएबल सेम है। तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? ऐड होगा। क्या होगा यहाँ पे? इसका प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा? 3x इक्वल टू x प्लस 4 और यहाँ पे इधर आएगा -3x माइनस x इज इक्वल टू 4। जब यहाँ पे क्लास वैल्यू इसको इधर लाएंगे तो माइनस इसको ट्रांसपोजिशन करते हैं, जो इधर से इधर पास है इसको ट्रांसपोजिशन करते हैं। और यहाँ पे भी था सेम टर्म, यहाँ पे भी सेम टर्म है। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, as you all know, if the like term is there and the sign is negative, then we have to subtract the largest value from lowest value. Then we subtract 3x minus x. It means 2x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 4 by 2. Because here 2 into x, here 2x means 2 into x, and here the x 2 is in multiplication, and when it moves to there, then 4 by 2 is there. That's why x is equal to 2. That's enough for today.
Thank you, sir.
If you want to know about the program comes,
Thank you, sir.